San, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of we're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
So dinayo namin from San Fernando to Telabastagan ang isang bagong milk tea shop which is the TEA PLUS Telabastagan.
Milk tea and positivity.
Exactly. Guys, if you're near this place and if you're craving for your milk tea, make sure to check out this video. Samahan nyo kami.
So tara, let's go!
Good morning! Welcome to TEA PLUS Telabastagan.
Right, so guys, this is it. This is TEA PLUS Telabastagan. And they are newly opened milk tea shop dito po sa dako ng Telabastagan.
Yes, this is another option sa mga milk tea lovers na pwede nyo mong tikman.
As of now, feeling ko parang yung milk tea natin, it's more of a crave. It's more of an parang addiction. Pag hindi ka nakainom ng milk tea, parang yun yung hinahanap-hanap mo na for the day.
At the same time, it's a way of refreshing ourselves.
Exactly. Lalong-lalo na kahit na minsan tag-ulan, pero hindi pa rin maiiwasan talaga yung sobrang init ng panahon. So these are great refreshments, guys. I've heard ang bestsellers nila dito ay yung mga cream puff and cream cheese series nila.
On our counter, meron tayo dito mga cream puff series. Meron din tayong all-time favorite na classic series.
Milk teas,
Yes. And meron din tayong fruities, soda, and yung kanilang special series.
So, we're gonna taste them, guys. We're gonna taste them. So, start tayo dun sa mga cream puff series nila. So, we have Creamy Okinawa, we have Meiji, Matcha Oreo, meron din tayong Chocolate Devotion, and then yung Tiger Milk Mousse. Sa mga narinig mo, Mark, ano yung most
feeling ko yung titikman ko yung kanilang Tiger Milk Mousse.
So ako naman, guys, titikman ko yung Chocolate Devotion nila. So I've heard from the staff here, it's a must try kasi nagustuhan na nila yan, guys. Yung cup natin para siyang canvas. Yan, so it's very important yung ano na rin yun, appearance ng mga milk tea natin kasi dito pa lang enticing ng yun.
Siyempre, tsaka pinipicturean natin.
Exactly. First off, syempre, dun sa consistency ng milk tea natin, una kong parang napansin is yung kanilang pearls. So yung pearls, napaka-tender. All throughout ng pearl, wala siyang matigas na part, no? And then yung lasa naman niya,
sobrang sarap. Nakaka-refresh at the same time. Yung feeling na yung cravings mo, it will be satisfied.
Para sa akin, isa siyang refreshment and a dessert at the same time kasi nga is a Nutella-based milk tea. Then of course, yung cream puff natin. So creamy, so yummy.
Nakaka-enjoy silang inumin.
So later on, since ito yung mga first week natin, we're gonna do a challenge now. Okay, so coming into the next part, yung kanilang mga classic series.
So for our classic, syempre hindi mawawala yung mga favorite flavors natin. So meron tayo ditong winter melon, red velvet, taro, and syempre yung kanilang cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream. So for the classic, guys, syempre as a cookies and cream guy, I'm gonna go for that one. Okay. So sa mga sinkers natin, available din naman yung mga fruit jelly, chocolate chip pearls, and of course, yan, coffee jelly.
Syempre ako naman is yung kanilang taro yung titikman ko. It's a different flavor talaga, no? From their cream puff series, sa mga classic nila. So yung taro nila, lasang gabi talaga.
I have to say, I have to agree. I mean, very different yung experience mo from the cream puff and the cream cheese series to the classic. Yeah, for me, guys, again, it's an Oreo-based milk tea, so medyo bias sa akin daw kasi favorite ko talaga yung Oreo. Ito yung parang pag ininom mo, nasa-satisfy talaga yung cravings mo for milk teas, no?
Yes.
So, for the last batch, guys, so meron tayong mga special nila dito, mga TEA PLUS special. So, meron tayong dalgona, meron tayong kiwi fruit tea, and at the same time, meron tayong strawberry sparkling soda. So, since hindi ka nagkakape, guys, so I'm gonna go for it.
Ito yung nauso ng quarantine.
Exactly.
So
this is
dalgona coffee.
It has become popular sa mga quarantine people. Wala na tayo. So, this is available here as well. This is part of their non-tea blends, mga ice blends. So ikaw naman?
Siyempre akin yung kanilang sparkling soda series, which is yung strawberry flavor.
Okay. At the end of the day, guys, leave it to the expert. So one of them is TeaPlus. And if you're looking for dalgona, ayun. So it has been, shaken well. So guys, this iced coffee right here is 120 pesos. I mean, comparing it to the mga known coffee shops today, the taste is really comparable. I mean, you won't even know na talagang it came from a new milk tea shop.
Yes.
Price of 120 pesos. Yeah, dito na, makakatipid ka pa.
Yes, and sa mga sparkling soda nila, it's only 80 pesos. For sure, solve yung buong araw mo na habang nagbabiyahe,
Exactly.
habang may ginagawa ka sa bahay, you could take this one.
For sure, you're gonna be refreshed all throughout the day.
Sarap.
Here, you can avail this loyalty card. So for every milk tea that you will order, so they're gonna put stamp on it. Ayan. On your 10th visit, you're gonna get a free milk tea. So I would also suggest for a group buy, collate all your orders, and then kung makarating kayo ng 9 orders, the 10th is gonna be free.
Or sa mga paisa-isa naman, you could accumulate 9 orders.
Yes.
Nandun sa pang 10th mo, free na lang sa'yo.
Yes, alright. This is the challenge, guys. Mark is going to finish this 1 cup of fruit tea in 30 seconds. Kung hindi niya matatapos yun, guys, siya magbabayad lahat ng mga milk teas natin today. Are you ready, Mark?
Yeah, sure. So, syempre yung kanilang fruit tea series yung titikman ko, yung kiwi. And habang iniinom ko to, yung mga details ng store ang sasabihin.
Alright, so TeaPlus is located po dito sa Block 14, Lot 3, 1 Nepomuceno Street, Telabastagan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Ang pinaka-landmark natin dito is yung sa likod ng 7-Eleven store. Let's support local, these kinds of businesses po, no? Lalong-lalo na yung mga ganitong businesses, they have a foundation that they also help. So kapag tinutulungan po natin sila, tinutulungan din natin yung mga foundation ng mga nangangailangan. And they are open from 10 a.m. up until 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday. They give free deliveries dito po sa nearby areas ng Telabastagan. Wow! Congratulations!
So, pwede na to.
Pwede na yan. Okay. Anyway, guys, again, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Mark, congratulations na tapos mo.
So, same time na-refresh naman ako, so okay lang.
Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're craving for that milk tea, TeaPlus Telabastagan is open for you.
And that's it. Thank you for watching Work in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.